Hey, go open a Donruss 1990 baseball cards. That's gum, feel gum. I hate that like 89 Donruss are the worst. Cards are just too big. Another thing about. There you go. Let's see what kind of very trader can find these things. Oh, I saw Bo Jackson. That's kind of cool. Ripping. This guy got his ass kicked by Norm Ryan. 27-year-old tried to fight a 47-year-old. Hall of Famer. Oh, his rookie card too. Came with DH later on. His rookie card? That's rookie card. So far, this guy had a decent career. Jap guy does Jap family. Likes this guy. He's from Pittsburgh area. I don't see people. Really talking about this package. He was one of my favorite players. I remember him with the Indians mostly. So yeah, pretty much I can't really find her cards. But I forgot to tell you, like and subscribe. Let me know, the front, back side of it. So let me know, like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. I'll do it better next time. Thanks for watching.